So now tell me, do you know one thing? Since we are using what? Forms. So what we have to use now? Form module. Form module. You remember your form module? Huh? We have to use the form module. And you remember it? So the form module import from where? Angular
/CLI.
Angular dot forms. And what is the name of the module? Thanks Kalasa forms module. Okay. So that means what? Because whenever you want to work with the forms, you have to include this form module. Okay. And now here, since it is a text field, now we have to attach it. You remember this syntax? ngModel. Okay. Now here I will give the name what? Only name. समझ में आया? ngModel. Now what is our variable name? Carefully, this should be seen as your photo. Hello. Then ngModel. Okay. And in the same thing, ngModel. That means in this way, now what we have to do? Hello. Now what we have to do? We have to work, submit. So on click. Now we have to create a method called add place. Yes. Okay. Now we are doing the programming here. Now where we have to create add place method? In your previous slide. So now let's go to the add. Let's go to where? Add place. Okay. And here we have to click what? Add. Okay. If I come here. And now if I write here console.log add place. So now let's open the inspect element. This engine is using the content single form. I don't need form. Okay, now देखो चला. Okay, now if I click on the submit, you can see that the method is getting properly called. Now our task is what? Fetch all the fields. Now how will you fetch all these fields? Now our task is fetch all the individual fields where in your program. How will you fetch? Now I need this is the place. From this place we make what? We'll make the Ajax call to our backend program. Yes? To make the Ajax call to our backend program, what do we need? All the variables we need. Okay.
Okay, we will define the variables here, which we will define
Okay. So object. So you have the two options. Either you can write what? Console.log. Now if I just try to access only what? If you want to access the variable, what we have to do? We have to declare the variable. Like
declare the
you can declare all the variables you can declare individually, or what you can do smartly, you can declare a variable called place is equal to what? Empty. Okay, and one thing I am doing now, all the red places are coming now. This is coming because of limiting to your function.
If you give that, can you do that place?
Yes,
Then it will be
so what is the case function? PS link dot JSON. So now the errors will not come.
what type of error, sir?
Okay. All this will not come. Okay. Now this is the place. Okay. Now you are getting the point. What is our new start? To fetch all the variables. So what you have done here, just check it out. How we are assigning the name. Hello. How we are assigning the name? We are assigning the name here. Place dot name. Place dot latitude. Place dot longitude. Place dot latitude. So I do not have to declare the 4 variables. Only one variable we have declared. So please basically the source dot log and place. Here what we have to write? This dot place. Okay. Now let's go here and just type here. Type. You can see. They have read the JSON. What actually you need to send to your backend. Latitude suppose 34. Longitude suppose 34. 82. Good. But now your client is preparing. That is who is helping you. Angular is preparing. Now what we just need to do? We just need to make this to the backend.